Hi everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Ethereum and picking up where we left off in the previous Ethereum video. Now, just like with Bitcoin, we have a lot of consolidation going on with Ethereum, and you can see that Ethereum has made its way within this triangular pattern, this wedge pattern here, and you can see that that the consolidation here on the hourly chart, you can see that it's really trading sideways significantly right now. We're not really having any sort of major price movements. We're seeing just Ethereum's price move slightly. There's really a lot of anticipation going on right now about what is next. What is the next move for Ethereum? Really, a lot of this having to do with, of course, the FTX fallout and how we've been seeing many different exchanges actually crumble with the downfall of FTX, and that's of course created a very bearish situation for crypto. And there's been more exchanges that have fallen since this last week, and there's a possibility that we're going to be seeing one more move to the downside, I'm thinking, with crypto. Now, Ethereum is looking much better than Bitcoin, of course, because Ethereum did not fall to a new 52-week low, just like Bitcoin did. So in this case, Ethereum is more attractive at this moment than Bitcoin, but there's still that possibility that Ethereum's price could fall. And that's the fear right there of what could happen. Now, if we look at Ethereum within these price movements to the downside, we can see the Fibonacci retracement and how much within the wave one from this recent crash that we've seen with Ethereum, how much the price has gone down with that. It went down to that 382 Fibonacci level. And then within this wave four, or that can possibly be a wave one if this was a confirmed bottom, but I'm still calling this at the moment, at least, a wave four. And you can see that it retraced about 50% of this loss that we had seen. And then there's still a possibility that right now we're just taking our time and slowly working our way into the next dip here, which will take Ethereum down one more leg down below where it was within the third wave, within the wave five. But many people are also claiming that Ethereum has probably already seen all that it was going to be going down from this FTX drama, and there's a possibility that right now it's just working its way into a third wave to the upside. Now, of course, we're discounting subwaves and really focusing on the whole psychology of this FTX drama. Now, as far as where could we be seeing the price of Ethereum going down to within a wave five, and that would be really just taking the Fibonacci retracement here and clicking this and dragging this over to the wave four, and just getting an understanding of the of where this could be going, just due to the history here that we do have. And I would say that we would be able to see it go somewhere within the range of $1,000 to $900, in my opinion. And I wouldn't want to see, of course, Ethereum fall below that $1,000 support that it does have, but it's a real possibility that we could be seeing this happen. Of course, if it was to go down one more time, and then in that case, then a price that would be within that range would be a real possibility. Now, the 52-week low that Ethereum does have is $880, and that was a price that it had reached back in June. So hopefully we don't see it go down that low. If it does, then in that case, things would be a lot more bearish. So hopefully we do end up staying above that. And then in that case, then we can actually have a more bullish outcome to all this price decline that we're seeing. And that would be, instead, if we were to just take this over to the daily chart real quick and look at what we're looking at here with the with saying that we had a first wave where we had that 52-week low, and then right now we're just within that wave two. At the moment, we're just seeing a bit of pullback within the price, and we could still look forward to a wave three, taking the price of Ethereum up much higher, possibly to a price that would be within the range of $3,000 or even higher than that. But of course, we're going to have to find that bottom first to actually make that claim that we're within that we're within that bottom there. So I'm thinking, yeah, we would come down one more time, hopefully. And then in that case, we won't come down any lower than that 52-week low. That way we can still say it was just a wave two, and then we can look forward to that wave three to the upside. Or we're already within the wave three. That would be if we already just reached the bottom within the sub waves that we're counting to a wave 3, if we can find 5 waves within this, and then we can say that all this right now, this consolidation, is all part of the third wave that would be taking Ethereum up to, say, that $3,000 price. But to really confirm anything, of course, Ethereum would have to go above where it was at in mid-August, so a price that would be above the price of around $2,000 in that case. Was to go above that, was to go above what I'm saying is the wave 1, then we can say, yeah, we're within that wave 3 now, and Ethereum is now sailing to that $3,000 price. But until we see any of this stuff, we cannot really be bullish yet, even though a lot of things with Ethereum, we would have expected it to be more bullish, seeing how Ethereum had just been coming down from where it had reached its all-time high back in November of last year, within this falling wedge pattern that we're seeing it come down within 5 waves. And now we're really wondering, are we going to be making some adjustments here? Do we have one more move to the downside within all this, or is that it? Are we complete with that? Which I think we are, but we're gonna have to wait and see how things do play out. Hopefully we do not reach a new bottom, and then we do eventually take off within a wave, a larger wave 3 impulse to the upside. So even if it was to be a wave 5 subwave or microwave, whatever you want to call it, to the downside here, in that case, hopefully we don't go below our 52-week low, and we can turn around from there. So let's see Ethereum update right now. I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. Do you think that Ethereum already reached the bottom, or do you think that there's still one more move to the downside? I'd like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, and many other altcoins as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.